Good morning, everyone. Once again, I am here with you, and today I will say you the answer of questions of exercises D and E. Okay, so you will listen carefully. So, see, this is chapter 2. I hope you have drawn this diagram, that is diagram of the plant. And now I am moving to the question answer. Question answer, that are the questions, and then the questions are of the exercise D. See, this is exercise D, and the question is the answer the following questions in brief. Number 1 is the state the function of a leaf. Okay, state the function of a leaf. So you will write leaf makes food for the plant. LEAF leaf, MAKES makes, FOOD food, FOR for, THE the PLANT plant. Okay, you will write correct spelling. Now come to the question number 2. Write the role of the roots of a tree. So what is the role? See, this is very clear here. Root fixes the plant in the soil. Okay, root fixes the plant in the soil. Soil, spelling of soil, SOIL. Okay, don't get confused with the spelling. Write correct spelling. So here the answer is root fixes the plant in the soil. Now come to the question number 3. What type of stem do climbers have? Okay, the spelling of climber is CLIMBER, climber, and it is written here climbers. That means many. You will add S. So answer of question number 3, that is what type of stem do climbers have? You will write the answer, and the answer is climbers have very weak and thin stems. See this? Climbers, 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 HAVE, have very, 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 WEAK, weak, AND and THIN, thin, STEMS. Okay, so climbers have very weak and thin stems. Now come to the question number 4, and the question number 4 is state the difference between the stem of a shrub and a herb. Okay, so first of all listen the spelling of shrub. Everyone will write correctly. Shrub, SHRUB, shrub. Okay, I am again repeating it, SHRUB, shrub. Okay, and herb, 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 herb. Okay, so the answer is stem of a shrub is woody but not strong as tree, while stem of herb is thin and green in color. Okay, so it is clear here, the spelling should be correct, that STEM, stem of a SHRUB, shrub, is WOODY, woody, but not strong, STRONG, strong as tree, while WHILE, while stem of herb, 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 is thin, 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 and GREEN, green in COLOUR, color. Okay, so we will write the stem of a shrub is woody but not strong as tree, while the stem of herb is thin and green in color. Okay, now move to the question. Exercise E. The questions are 4 questions are there. See this. Question number 1 is the draw and label different parts of a plant. Okay, and I have already shown you the diagrams. Okay, and sent you the diagram also yesterday. So I will draw that diagram. If you are not having that, again I will send you today, and so you will draw the diagram. And question number 2 is the write any 3 features of tree. Okay, so what will you write? 3 features of tree are: number 1, stem of a tree is woody and strong. Number 2, the roots of a tree are very pleasant and roots of a tree are very pleasant. Roots of a tree are very deep. Okay, so what will you write here? Again, I am going to repeat, some mistakes are there. So see, write any 3 features of tree. Number 1 is the 3 features you will write here. Number 1, stem of tree is woody and strong. Number 2, roots of a tree are very deep. Number 3, trees live for several years. Okay, so you will write stem of tree is woody and strong. Number 1 point hai. This is the point 1, and second point is the roots of a tree are very deep, and the third point is the trees live for several years. Okay, now spelling of feature, FEATURES is features of trees are: number 1, stem of tree is woody. Woody, 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 and STRONG, strong. Okay, number 2 is the roots of tree are very deep, DEEP, deep. Okay, see this, DEEP, deep, are very deep. And trees live for several years. Several, 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 YEARS, years. Okay, so this is the answer of question 2, 3 features of the tree. Now I am going to the question number 3. Write the difference between a tomato plant and grass. So what will you write? First of all, you make 2 columns like this. See this, there are 2 columns. In one column you will write tomato plant, TOMATO, 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 PLANT, plant. And in the second column you will write grass, GRASS. See this, tomato and grass. Okay, now see, in column 1 you will write the first point, and the first point will be tomato plant is a herb, HERB, herb. Okay, tomato plant is a herb. And in grass you will write grass is a creeper. So here the spelling of grass, GRASS, and spelling of creeper, CREEPER. So here you will write the first point, grass is a creeper. Okay, now come to the second point. Second point is it has leaves, stem, flowers and fruit. Okay, I think you all know the spelling of leaves, 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 STEM, stem, flower, FLOWER, and fruit, FRUIT, fruit. So you will write here it has leaves, stem, flower and fruit. Okay, in the tomato plant. In the column grass you will write it has only leaves. Okay, ONLY, only, LEAVES, leaves. Okay, I hope you can write the answer. Again I am going to repeat. You will make 2 columns. One is the tomato plant and that is the grass. In the tomato plant, point number 1, tomato plant is a herb. In grass, point number 1, grass is a creeper. In point number 2, tomato plant, it has leaves, fruits, flowers and stem. And number 2, it has only leaves. Okay, so you will write this. And now come to the question number 4. Why do some plants creep on the ground? What will you write? Some plants creep on the ground because they have thin and weak stem. Okay, here's you have to know the spelling of creep, CREEP, creep. See this, spelling of creep, CREEP, creep. And spelling of ground, GROUND, ground. And the spelling of because, BECAUSE, because they have THIN, thin, and weak, WEAK, weak stems, STEMS. So again I am going to say you the question. Why do some plants creep on the ground? You will write some plants creep on the ground because they have thin and weak stem. So these are the question answer of chapter two plants around us. This is of E and this is of D. See this is of D. I have explained you, and this is the plant. You will make this plant and you will label here like flower, root, leaf, bud, stem, branch, like this, those. Okay, so you will do this. You will draw this diagram. Okay, and I see this is the diagram. In this diagram, leaf, root, branch, flower, bud, stem and root all are given here. You can draw like this. So that's all for today. We will learn all the question answer. Okay, that's all. Thank you.